Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's non-technical point is how the step digital transaction or digital payment. The digital payment companies should address this problem by providing a way to differentiate payment to business transaction and transfer to individuals. The last couple of years have witnessed an increase in the number of digital transactions, and the era of the current government will forever be uh, remembered for pushing digital transactions. Two questions that come to my mind are: there these transactions safe, and do they increase indirect tax revenue? It all started with a visit of one of the local stores of famous FMCG company that has a chain of retail store across India. The store accepts digital payments like Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. in the name of an individual, but refuses to provide an automatic electronic bill ATM to its customers. If the customer inspects the store give a handwritten bill, we all understand the reason behind such a phenomena, and that could be the topic of another article. A story with a vegetable vendor or the street, it more or less the same. The digital payments are accepted but no bill is generated. The same is the case with some of the famous coffee shop. To the digital payment made to seller transfer money into the account of an individual instead of the business entity. There are also variations to this phenomena. Now, mm, a digital payment made for something that I purchased from a cab show that I am paying money to a related concern and not to the same business entity. This payment that I am paying day in and day out made me think what could be the possible implications of such digital transactions. First, the transfer is in the name of an individual. Second, the number has changed very often, which made me even more suspect of the transaction. What if the money to whom I am transferring is uh, founding undesirable elements in the economy? The digital trail might wrongly implicate me to an article in a national daily mobile phone penetration in India said to rise to 85 to 90% by 2020. Reports show there is going to be an increase in the number of such murky transactions unless the phone number are linked to some unique ID in the phone pay or any other digital transaction app. The system of digital payments can be exploited as people can have multiple numbers and can accept payments using multiple digital payment apps without getting noticed by the appropriate tax authorities. Here, one must note that The banking segment has clearly identified what constitutes payments and what constitutes money transfer. However, such a segregation of transaction is totally missing in most of the digital payments app, and everything is uh, defined as payments. Now, digital transaction does this means a money transfer that I make to my children is a payment. Does that means this transaction attract indirect taxes. Furthermore, to such digital transactions leads to transfer of GST to the government. I dub so I have stopped purchasing from FMCG store that do not provide a bill on the name of the business entity and only use cash or card if the digital payment phone number indicates that I am paying to an individual. Thank you.